Y'all, we going shopping. We at the Walmart market. We don't really come here like that. I've been here one time, but actually like shopping, my first time. So yeah, me and my man. Y'all, I got the school bus, whatever this is. I'm gonna show it to y'all. I put my purse in there. Wow. I see what they mean in the market. It's just food. Yeah. Don't they got it? They got it. Wait. You got it? Pork. I hate pork. No, it's the thing. I know which one I like it. That's the hot one.
Yeah, that's the one my mom used to use.
And that's the beef and beans.
That's the shit that I used to always eat.
Where? When? For real? No, we don't really need none of that. I was looking at that. Yeah, do one. You want one? But y'all, they playing music in here. Huh. It's gonna fall. They're not gonna see us. Right. Y'all, they playing music in here. We trying to record for y'all. Give y'all something. Because we don't really host like that on our couple channel. But y'all give us some ideas. Ooh, strawberries. Some more strawberries. I'm not a big fan of I used to be, but not no more, so I don't want that. Them naked smoothies right there. But for them naked smoothies, they good. What, I got the tea? They got the tea, babe. Huh? It better be the one, too. Yeah, the mellow tea? We got some at the house. We got the, like, square cheese, but it's not the shredded one. Nah, I don't know. No, we ain't gonna do that. Yeah. We got butter. We haven't been used butter for real. What we got? Starbucks? The scar? Get on the turkey. They used to be 99 cents. You barely eat. They get you. Hope you know that's the big pack. I think. It don't? Come on, Walmart. How y'all gonna have some, but it don't show the price? No, this Walmart is not even that packed. I like that. You just go in here and shop what you want to get. It ain't packed at all.
I feel like it's just...
Did you want to get one of them? Yeah, not just have them. You like ham? You know what? No, for me, I ain't gonna lie. I love ham. Like this right here?
I say the white.
The white turkey?
How much that is?
Yeah, this four. They both same. Are you gonna eat this? Of course I eat that. I like it. Turkey. I hate small sausages. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. But y'all, I'm gonna stop the camera right now, and we'll get right back to y'all. Say bye. Nope. Y'all, we still in here. My corn dog. Get it, the mini one. Babe, we never buying that again. Remember that we bought? We never did that. It was only 4 in there. We did, but no. It wasn't worth it.
Took your risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart? That's fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. I think grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary.
Well, y'all, we finna pay for our stuff. But y'all, we finna pay for our stuff right now. So, yeah, I just get back to y'all once we outside. Or maybe at the restaurant. Probably outside, though. So, yeah, y'all just stay tuned. Yeah, they say bye. Yeah, we leaving, y'all, but it's raining. Yeah, it's raining, so I'm gonna get back to y'all and get in the car. It is so loud. So we made it to the car. Y'all was raining, so we couldn't vlog or nothing. So yeah, but yeah, we left out there, got the groceries in the back. And yeah, we're gonna go to another store. I might not vlog in there. It depends. I might not. But yeah, here you over here. You don't need Pringles. It good, ain't it? It good? Head ass. Make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up while y'all watching our video without clicking the thumbs up button. Hello. But yeah, we'll get back to y'all though. Stay tuned. Hate that window. Y'all, we finna go to Aldi right quick. We need to get a look for items out of here. And y'all can leave here. We're going to the crib. So yeah. Y'all, my hair look wild. Cause this wind been blowing my hair, so don't mind it. Yeah, this is my favorite store I go to. Aldi. But yeah, but y'all, we finna just go ahead and get what we finna get, and then I just get back to y'all once we home or leaving the store. So yeah. All right, y'all, we made it to the house. And finna put the groceries up and everything. My man went to the restroom. Finna take everything out the bag though.
Serious, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in your hands? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let the truth. Got me questioning what have you done for me? Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, but it's testing me. I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from you, I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grown when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no lady. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach.
Alright, y'all, so me and Babe put all the stuff in the ice box and everything.
So ugly.
So yeah. Right now we're finna watch a movie, and after that we're gonna cook some sloppy joe. I might not vlog it cooking it. I might just show y'all the food once it's done and everything what we have. So y'all just stay tuned to see the whole clip for the ending. So yeah, Babe wanna come here and say bye to them. So if y'all enjoyed today's video that we went grocery shopping, whatever, make sure y'all give today's video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. If y'all new to our channel, subscribe as well. And stay tuned for more bangers and let us know what y'all want to see us do. Yeah, we love y'all. Peace.